So part of maintaining your tires, there's several things that go along with that. One is tire pressure. You want to always try to maintain the proper tire pressure on your tires based on the manufacturer's recommendations inside the driver's door on your vehicle. If you overinflate a tire, it can wear the center section of the tire out. If you underinflate a tire, it can wear the outside edges before that. If your car is out of alignment, as you can see on this tire, where the edges are worn smooth right here, this vehicle was more than likely out of alignment, and that caused the edge wear on the tires. Once your car is out of alignment and it starts edge wear on the tires, you can correct the alignment, but you can never correct the tire wear. It will always wear in that same pattern, no matter if you've corrected the alignment or not. So once you have a wear pattern, it's too late to save that tire. It's going to wear out prematurely no matter what you do. But you can do several things to help. One, keep up with your tire pressure, which we do every time when we service your vehicle. Two, you want to rotate your tires between 5,000 and 8,000 miles, but if you do it at 5,000, you want to consistently do it at 5,000. You don't want to sometimes do it at 5 and sometimes do it at 8. You want to try to be consistent with it. That's why we set your oil change and tire rotation sticker at 5,000 miles. That way you're getting a consistent interval in between your servicing. And then the other thing you want to do is you want to do an alignment at least once a year on your vehicle, because with the roads, you might not feel a pull. It might not feel like it's driving any different, but a little bit of the alignment being out can cause a lot of tire wear. It doesn't take much to wear a tire. All right, so this is a brand new tire. And as you can see on the brand new tire, all of these little grooves, they're called sipes. And as the tire contacts the road patch, and especially in wet weather, these sipes is what dissipates the water away from the vehicle and helps you keep a good contact patch on the road. As you can see, these are nice tall grooves, clean cut. But if you look at the tire that's worn, that was out of alignment, you can see how the sipes have gone smooth. They're not cut clean. Some of them are even flat in places. Basically, this tire will not dissipate the water properly. So then that's when that tire is going to float above the water and hydroplane on you. So it's always best to get the most life out of your vehicle. Do your tire maintenance, do your alignments once a year. It'll save you money in the long run. People that do their maintenance and do their alignments once a year, on average, get about 4,500 to 5,000 more miles out of a tire than people that don't.